Heading over to Ryan's house. Today we have a fun install. We're gonna be doing Falcon shocks on our buddy Matt's Jeep. It's actually his father's Jeep. He finally convinced his dad to get Falcon shocks, and I'm running a little late. The guys are already there at Ryan's house. I believe they've got his Jeep put up on jack stands, and when I arrive, we're gonna get started with this install right away. So, pretty exciting. Hope you guys enjoy the video. This will be the second video we did about installing Falcon shocks on a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. So make sure you check the link in the description below for the other video that's a full install. This is meant more to be like tips and tricks and have some fun and things like that, rather than a step-by-step process. The other video we did is more of a step-by-step, but should be a lot of fun to kind of watch Matt turn wrenches for the very first time. This is really kind of his indoctrination in doing some Jeep mods in preparation for him buying his own Jeep, and should be a lot of fun. Maybe there'll be a few surprises along the way. Oh, that's a lot of Jeeps in the parking lot. Look at all these great Jeeps in this garage. We got Ryan's Jeep over here. We got Andrew's Jeep. Of course, the best Jeep of all, mine. And then,
I'm offended.
You're offended?
Look at that Jeep.
I mean, that's a nice Jeep, but it's not as good as this one.
Really?
To each their own.
What's up, boys?
What's up?
Jeremy? Whoa! Wow! That's a good look.
Falcon Day.
Officer Shirtlift is here.
Officer
Falcon Day.
Shirtlift.
Yeah.
Wow, that is fantastic. Look at that soup catcher.
Feels weird though.
Oh, I don't know. Weirdness might be good on you. I like
It's my
that.
military salute to our friend that cannot be here.
Yeah, well.
Yeah.
That is an incredible mustache. You know, every good Falcon install needs an incredible mustache, so I'm glad Matt is sporting it. So Matt started by taking the wheels and tires off, and he's got the back axle jacked up, and so next what we just need to do is take the old shocks off. Let's do it.
We need to break these.
Yeah, you probably need to break them first. Okay, those beautiful things.
So you've got to put nut certs here, you put like one here, and then there's like 4 or 5 along here.
And I gotta tell you, for my money, there's nothing more beautiful than a set of Falcon shocks in the box. Pretty awesome. Those who own them know exactly what I'm talking about. They make a beautiful, beautiful piece of equipment.
Whoa! Wouldn't hurt my feelings.
It wouldn't hurt the Falcon shock. You drop that thing, believe me, your toe's gonna be needing a lot more repair
Now, once
than
you
that
inspect
thing
that,
will.
make sure it goes on it's on the correct side.
Like that.
Are you sure?
No.
I'm gonna teach you a little something. This says left.
Lefty Lucy. Lefty Lucy.
Dude, you've barely done one shock and you're soaking wet.
Oh, I was soaking wet before we started.
Jeepers. Come on, Matt, you can do it. It's your first Falcon shock.
Just slide it right in.
These shavings?
Now you gotta press it.
Let him do it. Gotta push it up.
You're gonna
Get it in
enjoy it
place.
so much more.
Come
once
on.
you get it right in.
You gotta do it.
And when you get that sweet spot, it's gonna slide right in.
Come on, Matt.
I believe in you. You gotta say the words.
Mustache! I don't know why that's not going. Right?
Don't stop
Do you give
now.
up?
No.
Okay.
Just wipe your arm a little bit on it. It'll lube it up. There we go. Now press it up a little bit more than you need it. There you go.
Does this stick out when it's done?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey. Here, take this. Use this to pry up. Give yourself the space you need. Okay, and as you push it up, okay, you can push it in.
Be honest, how are you feeling right now?
Oh, exhausted. It's twisted at a weird angle.
Come on, Matt, you can do it. Look, you're so close. You're so close.
Just think you get to do this 3 more times.
Right? Jeremy, you're gonna run out of data. Or memory.
Did you spray WD-40 in there before?
Nope.
Before you did it?
Try that.
So what's weird is the
No,
I'm saying right here is resting
Yeah,
on the bolt.
it does.
Here, get a
So if I
little
push up,
Yeah, pushing up isn't going to help you, huh?
No.
So what do you get? What direction do you need to push?
down.
That's enough.
You can hit the upper shaft if you want. It's
Here?
Yeah, it's sturdy. That is strong stuff.
Can't get the repetition.
Come on, Matt, you can do it.
I believe you can try.
One of the advantages of filming in 4K is that you can actually see the sweat dripping off of him as he works so hard to muscle this into place. How are you feeling there, buddy?
Whew, tired.
You done yet?
No.
Don't worry, we have faith in you. You can do it. Everyone watching right now, put in your comments below, go Matt, go.
Ooh. There we go.
At long last, he gets it on, and don't worry, he's only got 3 more to go. Well, the rear is done, and it looks great. Tires are back on. Now it's time to do the front. Lay that down underneath the Jeep as an extra safety precaution. And let's get those old shocks
Got the
off.
WD. And the metal bushing, and then the bolt.
No, I always mix those up.
I had to catch on one.
So as we finish up the last shock, Matt, what do you think?
Dude, this has been so fun. It's awesome.
Good experience, right?
Yeah, and then if something goes wrong on a trail, I know how to fix it or at least modify it, knowing how it works.
It's been a lot of fun to watch you learn to turn wrenches, and it's not
Grown.
not hard, is it? It's not hard work. I mean, it's
But once you know what you're doing, it's not.
I mean, it takes muscle,
Yep.
but it's not
got
like
plenty
it's
of that,
it's not
so
like
we're
it's
fine.
yeah. It's not like it's you know, technically difficult.
No.
Is what I mean.
Nope.
You know, you think about how much you might pay someone to do this
This
for
was
you.
going to be $600 is what we were quoted.
Yeah.
And it took us, what, 4 hours?
Yeah,
Of hanging
not
out,
a lot of
having
work,
fun?
and a lot of that is learning too. If you knew what you were doing,
Yeah.
that would take a lot less
I
time.
can probably do this in half the time now.
Yeah, well, it's looking good, and you're done.
Woo!
How'd you feel?
Great.
Yeah.
Tired, exhausted, but good. I feel good.
Sweaty, sore,
Sweaty.
a little lost.
Yep. Try. Say, 19. What's that? Yeah, perfect. That one. Just that's still up. Okay.
Oh wait, that's a.
I'd say this was a 3/8, so 3/4.
3. And just like that, Reed's Jeep has TerraFlex Falcon shocks. A lot of fun. And that makes 1, 2, 3, 4 Jeeps, all with Falcon shocks. And it all started with this one here, right here. You're welcome, TerraFlex. I saw your shocks at Easter Jeep Safari years ago, started reading about them, loved them. Convinced my friend John to buy them, convinced my friend Andrew to buy them, convinced my friend Ryan to buy them. I've now convinced Reed to buy them. Got one more friend, Nate, who needs to get a set. And then after that, I feel like I should get a set for free. Although technically I don't need one because I've already got them on my Jeep and they're gonna last forever. Hope you liked watching this video. We had a lot of fun making it. It was pretty relaxed, wasn't a lot of instruction, but we had a lot of fun in the garage today. And now we're looking forward to our next adventure out on the trail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like it, subscribe it, share if you think it's great, and put a comment below. Tell us what you liked about the video, and tell us if you think Wade looks great in an orange shirt. Maybe not.